Peace be with you. This is Dato Leminak Alhaz, and for today's video we gonna visit the well-known town of Blackpool. Approximately it's about 5 hours travel from London, England to Blackpool. Welcome to Blackpool, and we are here in Blackpool Tower. Blackpool is a seaside area and well known for the pleasure beach. It means it is a plenty of entertainment for the entire family. Blah blah blah. Hello, we are live here in Blackpool, and we are here in Blackpool Tower. Blah blah blah. Blackpool Tower is the main landmark of this beautiful town. Ang Blackpool ay hindi lamang isa ang kanilang pier, kundi tatlo. Ang South Pier, Central Pier, at North Pier. Ang nakikita natin ay pier. Yan po si Commander. Kung gusto mo naman ang mga live entertainment, amusement rides, arcades, food stall, and games, come and visit the Blackpool. This is highly recommended sa mga pamilyang may mga anak dahil sa mga resort nito na maraming mga laruan tulad ng roller coaster at marami pang iba. Mahirap talaga mag-tour pag kasama mo ang iyong commander dahil konting galaw mo lang galit na naman. Bago kami umalis sa Blackpool ay hinintay muna namin ang sunset. Look, what a beautiful sunset here in Blackpool. The Blackpool is well known for their illuminations. So the illumination of the Blackpool is one of the biggest in the world. And the main landmark of the town is the Blackpool Tower. Yan po ang Blackpool Tower. Welcome to our hotel accommodation. The legendary Britannia Norbridge Castle Grand Hotel of Blackpool. It's a very big hotel. This hotel is one of the Britannia largest hotel at nasa tabi ito ng dagat. Napakaganda at napakalaki. Yan po ang nakikita natin, napakalaking hotel. At mayroong itong 480 bedrooms. 480 bedrooms. Welcome to Norbridge Castle Hotel. So, ito yung kanya. Ito yung Castle Restaurant, boardroom, bar, reception. Kung i-rate ko ang hotel na ito, ay bibigyan ko siya ng 5 star. Dahil para sa akin, old is gold. Hello, good evening. We are here in our castle. So no. We are here in the hotel for buffet dinner, blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Hello. So, napakalaki ang restaurant nila, blah 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 dito. Si Commander ay tamad pumila, kaya ako naman ang nahirapan pumila at kumuha ng mga pagkain niya. Blah blah blah. Alam ba ninyo na ang pinakapaborito ko na party ng aking pag-holiday ay ang buffet meal? Ha 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 ha. It's true. It's my favorite part of my holiday is eating time.
Oo.
Karan, sa dito na po ang aming pagkain na buffet. Yan po. Ay, pagkain na, gutom na gutom. Kung i-rate ko ang pagkain na sinerve nila sa aming buffet dinner ay bibigyan ko ito ng 9 out of 10. It means napakasarap. Napakasarap talaga, promise. Ito ang aming room accommodation dito sa Britannia Norbreak Castle Grand Hotel, Blackpool. See, yan po ang view outside our room accommodation. Good morning, Blackpool. It's rainy day today. Blah, blah, blah. Beautiful day but rainy. This is Dato Limi Alhaz. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muling pag-travel. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Always ingat. Bye.